Have you ever spent hours trying to create the perfect AI-generated character, only to end up with completely different versions every time you generate a new image? One moment, they have blue eyes and straight hair, and the next, they've mysteriously transformed into someone completely different. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to create AI characters that are so consistent that they could star in their animated series? Characters who maintain their exact appearance, whether they're sipping coffee in a Paris cafe, battling dragons in a fantasy realm, or simply changing outfits. After months of experimentation, I've perfected a completely free method to make this possible. And today, I'm sharing every single secret with you. Hey there! Welcome back to another mind-blowing video. Today's topic is seriously cool. You don't want to miss this. Let me show you how to create characters so consistent that they'll feel like real people living across multiple images. This isn't just theory. We're going to build an actual character together, step by step. And I'll prove how this method works across completely different scenes and scenarios. Step 1. Building your character's identity. The foundation of perfect consistency starts with an ultra-detailed character profile. Most people make the mistake of using vague descriptions like a woman with curly hair, an old man with gray hair, a man in a blue shirt, etc. That's why their results vary wildly. Here's exactly what to do instead. Open ChatGPT and use this precise prompt. Imagine you're an expert character designer. Write an image prompt for character name including precise facial features, eye shape, nose bridge width, lip fullness, and any distinctive marks. Hair texture and styling patterns, not just color. Is it always slightly messy? Does she tuck it behind her left ear? Signature wardrobe items and how they fit, are sleeves always rolled up? Does she wear the same necklace? Posture and resting expressions. Does she slouch slightly? Have a characteristic smirk? Core personality traits that affect appearance. Confidence equals direct eye contact. Shy equals slightly lowered gaze. Just paste this prompt into ImageFX, and you'll see the results right away. Pro tip: for hyper-realistic characters, use words like skin light effects, tiny facial movements, and natural skin details. For anime-style art, try cartoon-style shading and bold outline highlights. Step 2. The seed locking technique. Now, take that description to your AI image generator. After your first generation, you'll see a seed number. This is your golden ticket. Locking this seed is like freezing your character's genetic code. But here's what most tutorials don't tell you. Simply locking the seed isn't enough. You must maintain the same base prompt structure, identical quality boosters, consistent styling terms for real-life looks, photorealistic for cartoon looks, Pixar-style 3D. Let's test this right now. I'll generate our sample character, Elena Rivers, in 3 radically different scenarios. Reuniting with an old friend at a train station, an emotional hug. Getting lost in a foreign city, clutching a map or phone with confused excitement. Binge-watching shows in pajamas, surrounded by snack wrappers. Watch as her facial structure, beauty mark above her lip, and signature half-up hairstyle remain identical across all images. The only changes? Her expressions and environments, exactly like a real person. Step 3. Same character, different scenarios. Now for the magic. Dropping Elena Rivers into a narrative. Ask ChatGPT. Write a short story in different scenes about a character going through adventure, challenge, and change. Include specific visual moments we could illustrate. Or you can try this too. Give me different environments for her to make a story of different scenes. Let me do this test to show you. Here's the professional trick. Generate these scenes in reverse order. Why? Starting with the most developed version of your character ensures their best look becomes the baseline. Then work backward while keeping that seed locked. Advanced consistency secrets. Want to change outfits without losing facial consistency? Modify your prompt like this. Same character as before, now wearing a detailed outfit description according to the environment, maintaining all facial features and proportions exactly. Now I'll guide you through each step to customize outfits for any scene. Whether it's a snowy mountain, futuristic city, or tropical beach, you'll learn professional techniques to perfectly match clothing with environments. These are the same techniques pro designers use, and today, you're going to gain skills you've never tried before. If you want to add movement to your images, I've already made 2 videos on this topic. Check them out to see how you can easily turn any picture into a high-quality animated video, with perfect lip sync too. Trust me, it's simple. Do you require aging progression? Use character at age 20, 35, 50, showing natural aging while keeping recognizable bone structure, eye shape, and other locked features. The results speak for themselves. After helping 3,000+ creators implement this system, here's what they report. Checkmark 89% reduction in inconsistent character generations. Ability to create entire comic book pages with uniform characters, professional quality character sheets for animation pitches, social media content with instantly recognizable avatars. Your challenge this week: create one seed-locked character and generate them in 3 different scenarios. Share your results in the comments. I'll feature the most impressive examples in my next video, where we'll cover advanced outfit switching without losing consistency, creating identical character variants, twins, and alternate timelines, character animations from still images. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe. Your likes, shares, and subs keep me going, and it helps me know what content to make more of. For every 200 likes, I'll drop another professional AI character creation secret in the comments. Now go create something amazing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we take these techniques even further.